Let us see the next topic, types of vector. So before that we understand the plasmid. We already know about the plasmid. So plasmid means extra chromosomal self-replicating double-stranded circular DNA molecules found in the bacterial cells in addition to the bacterial chromosome. And it also contains genetic information for their own replication. So this is the plasmid, definition of plasmid. Then the types of vector, let us see the PBR 322 plasmid. In PBR 322, plasmid is a reconstructed plasmid and a cloning vector. And it has a 4361 base pair. In BBR 322, B denotes plasmid, B and R respectively the names of scientists Bolivar and Rodriguez. In number 322 is the number of plasmid developed from their laboratory. It contains ampicillin resistant and tetracycline resistant, two different antibiotic resistant genes and recognition sites for several restriction enzymes. HIND3, ECORI1, BAMH1, SAL1, BVU2, PST1, CLA1. So these are the recognition sites which is present in the PBR 322 plasmid. And ORI, origin of replication, and antibiotic resistant genes also present. ROP codes for the proteins involved in the replication of the plasmid. So ROP means replication proteins. So this is also which is present in the PBR 322 plasmid. Here is the diagram of PBR 322. So in the PBR 322 we already know origin of replication and ampicillin resistant and tetracycline resistant two selectable markers are present, and recognition sites ECORI1, HIND3, BAMH1, PVU2 and PST1, CLA1 also present, and ROP, that is the replication for the proteins. So this is also present in the PBR 322. And next type of a vector is the TI plasmid. So Agrobacterium tumefaciens, a bacterial responsible for inducing tumors in several dicot plants. For example, tomato plant, which is mostly affected by crown gall tumor disease. Okay. So in this plants, TRA gene, which helps to transfer the tDNA from one bacterium to other bacterial or plant cell. So TRA gene and the transfer gene vandu tDNA which is changed into a TI plasmid. Okay. So ANC gene, oncogenicity, and ORI gene for origin for replication, and INC gene for incompatibility. So these three genes are which is present in the TI plasmid, and this is also stably integrated with plant DNA. Okay. And Agrobacterium tumefaciens plasmids have been used for the introduction of genes of desirable traits into plants. That means this TI plasmid easily stably integrated with the host DNA and produce number of copies. And what we need the desirable change means that change will occur in the host cell. Okay. Here is the diagram of TI plasmid. So tDNA and the TRA gene which helps to the change of the tDNA from one bacterial to the host cell. No. So this is a tDNA region and virulent region also present. So this one is easily affect the dicot plant and made a disease. Okay. And auxin, cytokinin, opine which is present in the growth hormones, and opine catabolism gene also present here. So this is the TI plasmid diagram. Next type of vector is a transposon. So transposon means transposable elements or mobile elements. So transposons are DNA sequence able to insert itself at a new location in the genome without having any sequence relationship with the target locus, and hence transposons are called walking genes or jumping genes. So transposon means that is a number of 1 kb base pairs which is present, and it is easily insert into a target locus. Okay. So எந்த இடத்துல வேணாலும் ஈஸியா வந்து இந்த டிரான்ஸ்போஷன்ஸ் வந்து என்ன செய்யும் அப்படின்னா ஜம்பிங் ஆகி and integrated with the DNA sequence. So that is known as a walking genes or jumping genes. So it is one of the genetic tools for analysis of gene and protein functions that produce new phenotype on host cell. So transpositions mainly involved in the mutations and which is also produce the new evolution. Okay, so here is the Arabidopsis thaliana. It is one of the mustard family plant. This plant is also involved in the mutation field also and E. coli. Okay, so walking genes, gene walking involves in the complete sequencing of large more than 1 kb stretches of DNA. So these transpositions when they easily invaded into the target locus and produces the new evolution in the particular host cell. Okay, so Arabidopsis thaliana is one of the mustard family grass and another one is the E. coli prokaryotic cell. Here is the diagrammatic expression of jumping genes. So transposition here is present and easily invade into the interrupted into the DNA sequence. Okay, so that we can easily say walking genes or jumping genes. Next type of a vector is a expression vector. So vectors are suitable for expressing foreign proteins are called expression vectors. So expression vector means which is produced the concerned proteins inside the host cell, that is known as a